So even when I'm on a diet, I crave for this yummy, tasty, delicious food. Hi, I'm Jemimah Rodrigues and I'm a proud member of the Indian women's cricket team. The secret to my success would be consistency and hard work. So being a professional athlete, I like to use professional appliances, that is by Hamilton Beach. So even when I'm on a diet, I crave for this yummy, tasty, delicious food. But thanks to my Hamilton Beach Airfryer, that all these cravings are taken care of, and at the same time, I don't go off track from my diet. With less oil and more taste, I'm satisfied and I don't even feel guilty.